Hello everyone, my name is Ana Michelle Podmac Namisela, and today I will talk about descriptive linguistics, related languages, language families, and other fascinating linguistic concepts. Okay, descriptive linguistics is a branch of linguistics focused on analyzing and describing how languages are used by speakers in real context. It does not aim to prescribe rules of correct usage, but rather to document and understand linguistic features such as sounds, words, and syntax within a particular language or dialect. The main objective of descriptive linguistics is to study and explain the structure of languages without imposing a judgment about correctness. Okay, now we continue with related languages in language family. Related languages are languages that have evolved from a common ancestor. A language family is a group of related languages that share common roots. And the relationships among these languages are typically traced using a genealogical classification, showing how they diverged from a common proto-language. Okay, now Romance and Germanic language groups. Two major language families within the Indo-European family are the Romance and Germanic groups. The Romance languages are derived from Latin, the language of the Roman Empire. For example, Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese, Romanian. And the Germanic languages are another branch of the Indo-European family. For example, English, German, Dutch, Swedish, and Danish. These languages share similarities in vocabulary and grammatical structures due to their common origins. Okay, the language family tree model visually represents the relationships among languages, much like a genealogical tree showing family relationships. It was first developed by August Schleicher in the 19th century. This model shows how languages branch out from a common proto-language, similar to how a tree has branches streaming from a trunk. Okay, now Sanskrit and the Indo-European link. The discovery of Sanskrit played a crucial role in identifying the connections among Indo-European languages. Sir William Jones first noticed these similarities in 1786. Sanskrit shares common features with Greek and Latin, demonstrating a common origin. For example, the Sanskrit word for mother is mater, which corresponds to mother in Latin and mater in Greek. And the word for brother in Sanskrit is brother, similar to frater in Latin and pater in Greek. And these connections helped linguists establish the Indo-European language family. Okay, now continue with dead versus strict languages. A dead language is a language that is no longer used in daily conversation, but might still be used in a specific context, such as religion or literature. An example is Latin, which is used in the Roman Catholic Church, but no longer spoken by communities. An extinct language, on the other hand, is a language that no longer has any living speakers. An example is Coptic, once spoken in Egypt, which is now used only in religious context. Okay, now in this video, I've explained the key concepts of descriptive linguistics, language families, related language, and the significance of Sanskrit in linguistics. Understanding these concepts help us to appreciate the diversity and history of human languages. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Thank you.